Extra example 1. Amy took a government loan of 90,000 to buy her dream car. The loan needs to be settled in 15 years with an interest rate of 3% per year compound every month. Find Amy monthly payment. Total loan is 90,000. T is 50 years. G is 0.03 and compound monthly. Amy monthly payment, we're looking for R since loan, so this is amount of AN. Total loan 90,000, J equal to 3%, 0.03, T is 15 and M is 12. AN is given as the formula where we're looking for R. AN is 90,000. 1 minus 1 plus I is 0.03 divided by M. 15 years time M is 12, so 0.03 over 12. R equal to RM 621 ringgit with 52 cents. So Amy's monthly payment is RM 621 ringgit 52 cents. B, find the total interest charge. Total interest is I equal to NR minus EN, where N is T times M. 15 years times N is 12, R is 621 ringgit 52 cents minus amount of loan 90,000. So interest is RM 21,873 ringgit with 60 cents. So the total interest charge is RM 21,873 ringgit 60 cents. Default in the first 2 months, calculate the amount she has to pay in the third month. She's supposed to pay the first 2 months and she missed, so the amount in the third month is dragging the first 2 months to behind. So total amount will be SN equal to R 1 plus I power of N minus 1 over I. R is 621 ringgit 52 cents. 1 plus I is 0.03 over 12. Third month, so N equal to 3 minus 1 over 0.03 divided by 12 equal to RM 1,869 ringgit 23 cents. She has to pay RM 1,869 ringgit and 23 cents in the third month. D, if after 10 years she decides to pay off the loan, calculate the amount she has to pay. Immediately after 10 years means amount here, and duration of loan is 15 years, means the remaining 5 years she wants to pay off the loan now. Now means present value. AN is given as 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative N over I, where R is 621.52. 1 minus 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 power of remaining years is 5 times 12 over 0.03 over 12. Amount is RM 34,589 ringgit and 5 cents. So the amount that she has to pay is RM 34,589 ringgit 5 cents. Extra example 2. Andy saved RMX in a bank that paid interest rate of 4% compound monthly. After 5 years, he accumulated 30,000. He then saved in addition of 200 at the end of every month for the next 15 years. After that, he intends to buy an annuity plan that pays him RMY every month for the next 10 years. The annuity plan gives interest of 5% compound monthly. Find X, find total interest acquired in the first 20 years. Find Y. We put RMX now. Interest rate of 4% compounded monthly. And then after 5 years, he accumulates 30,000. Means SN here is 30,000. He then save in addition of 200 at the end of every month. So every means repeated payment of 200 for the next 15 years. Duration here is 15, means this is 20 years. After that, he intends to buy an annuity plan that pays him RMY for every month for the next 10 years. So M equal to 12. For the next 10 years means total year is 30. D equal to 10. The annuity plan give an interest rate of 5% compound monthly. Okay, find X. So X is the amount here. X, the first amount that he put, mean X is principal since he does not put X every month or every year. So X is one-off payment and J is 0.04%, M equal to 12, T for 5 years, and total amount he has in a bank is 30,000. So we use S equal to P1 plus I, compounded interest, since this is not an annuity. So total amount in the bank is 30,000. P is X, 1 plus I, 0.04 compound monthly for 5 years. So X equal to RM 24,570 ringgit and 9 cents. B, find the total interest acquired in the first 20 years. So there are two interests for the duration of 20 years. First, from the principal X denoted in black, and the repeated payment for the next 15 years denoted in green. For the first 20 years, I equal to S minus P. S is the sum after 20 years. P 1 plus I power of n minus P equal to 1 plus I power of n minus 1. P is the value of X, 24,570.09. 1 plus interest is 0.04 over 12 for 20 years. M is 12 minus 1. So the first interest is RM 30,038 ringgit 95 cents. And then the second interest is for the next 15 years. For the next 15 years, I is from annuity, since there is a repeated payment of 200 at the end of every month, so this is an annuity. I is given as SN minus NR. SN is R 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 for 15 years minus 1 over 0.04 over 12 minus N is 15 times 12 times R is 200, give us interest of RM 13,218 10 cents. So total interest is from I equal to the first I plus the second I, 30,038.95 plus 13,218.10 equal to RM 43,257.5 cents. The last question, find Y. Y is from an annuity plan that pays him RMY every month for the next 10 years. Okay, denote in red. Okay, we need to find the amount of annuity that he buy. Means we need to find the value of AN. So we need to find the value of AN. AN comes from the first sum from X and total, and the second sum from repeated payment of 200. S is P 1 plus I power of n, and Sn is R 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. P is 24570.09. 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 for 20 years plus R is 200. 1 plus 0.04 divided by 12 for 15 years minus 1 over 0.04 divided by 12. This gives us an annuity of RM 103,827 and 14 cents. So this is the amount of annuity, and then we look for our annuity is EN 103,827.14. R is what we're looking for. 1 minus 1 plus the new J is 5%, so 0.05 divided by 12 minus 10 years times 12 over 0.05 over 12. R equal to RM 1125 cents.